Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIEO level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we finished exercise 3. The topic was circles touching each other. This is a new topic. The name is coordinate geometry of the circle. Today we are going to start last exercise of this topic, that is paper 2. In this paper electronic calculator will be allowed. So there are 4 questions in this exercise, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will do 2 questions today and 2 questions in next lecture. Then after completing this topic we will be doing again past papers of ADMath. So let's start question number 1. The circle C with center at the point A has equation x square plus y square minus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. Part A. Find the coordinates of A, that is the coordinates of the center. So compare the equation with the general equation of circles. The coefficient of x is minus 10 and 2f. The coefficient of y, there is no y term, so it is 0. So g equals to minus 10 upon 2 and f is equals to 0 upon 2 and g is equals to 2 5s are 10 and f is equals to 0 upon 2 is 0. Hence the coordinates of A, that is the center of circle C, which is minus g minus f. Therefore minus minus plus 5 and minus into 0 is always 0. So this is the first requirement of question number 1, the coordinates of the center, that is A. Now see part B. Part B is find the radius of C. The formula of the radius is R is equals to G square plus F square minus C. Here G is negative 5 square, F is 0 square minus C. C is the constant term. The constant term in this question is 9. So minus 5 square is plus 25, 0 square is 0, minus 9, 25 minus 9 is 16 and root 16 is 4. Hence the radius is 4. Now see part C, the coordinates of the point at which C crosses the x-axis. The circle crosses the x-axis. Very easy. This is part C. Write the equation of the circle again, x square plus y square minus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. When the circle crosses x-axis, the y value is 0. So 0 square is 0 minus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. X square minus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. Break the middle term, x square minus 9x minus x plus 9 is equals to 0. Taking x is common, x minus 9 minus 1 is common, x minus 9 is equals to 0. Then x minus 9, x minus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 9. Hence the coordinates are 1, the y value is 0, and 9, the y value is 0. This is the answer of part C, because when the circle crosses x-axis, the y value is always 0. See the last part. What is last part? Given that the line L with gradient 7 upon 2 is a tangent to C, tangent to the circle C, and that the line L touches C at the point T. Find an equation of the line which passes through A and T. Very easy. If you draw a rough picture, then you can understand more. So suppose this is a circle, and according to question, a line which touches to the circle, name is L, at point T, and the gradient of this line is 7 upon 2, and coordinate of center 5 0, and the name of the center which is given in the question is A. Now the question is to find the equation of the line A to T. So actually we have to find the equation of radius, and you know the radius and tangent makes 90° to each other. So if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their gradient is always equals to -1. So m1 is given 7 upon 2 into m2 -1, then m2 is equals to -2 upon 7, and you have coordinates of A is 5 0. So use the slope point form to find the equation of the line AT, that is y minus y1 is equals to m2 times x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 0, m2 is -2 upon 7, x minus x1 is 5. Or you may write y is equals to -2 upon 7 x minus 5. This is the answer. Or you can write this into more simplest form. So this is the equation of AT. Hope you understand entire question 1. And part D was very important. Find an equation of the line which passes through A and T. So you must understand the concept of the angle between the radius and tangent. So hope you understand this important question. Move to next question number 2. This question number 1 has 3, 5, 7, 9. 9 marks question. See question number 2. More interesting question as compared to question number 1, but very easy. The figure shows a circle with center C 7, 2. The circle meets the x-axis at the points P and R, and the y-axis at the point Q and S. Part A. Given that coordinates of R is 17, 0, find an equation of circle. So you know we have center of the circle. So if I say, for example, what is center? 7, 2. So you can say this is, for example, I am just showing the visualization of this center C 7 comma 2. So first we have to find the radius. In order to find the radius, we have to find the distance between CR, center to the boundary of the circle is always radius. So 17 minus 7 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square root. 17 minus 7 is 10 square, 2 square is 4, 10 square is 100 plus 4 is equals to 104. Square root of 104 is the radius. Now we have center and radius, so we use standard form of the circle, that is x minus a whole square y minus b whole square is equals to r square. A is the x value of center, b is the y value of the center, and r we just have find square root of 104 square from the formula. Hence our final answer of part A is x minus 7 square y minus 2 square is equals to square and root cancel 104. This is the answer of part A. Hope you understand. Part B, show that magnitude of QS, or you can say the distance of QS, is 2 root 55. Very easy. Part B. So we have circle of equation of circle x minus 7 square plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to 104. Now you can see, if I want to find the coordinate of Q, so Q lies on y-axis. Therefore, if we put the value of x is 0 in the equation of circle, that is 0 minus 7 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to 104. So y minus 2 whole square, 0 minus 7 is minus 7, minus 7 square is 49 is equals to 104, and y minus 2 is equals to 1, y minus 2 whole square, sorry, 104 minus 49, y minus 2 whole square, 104 minus 49 is 55. So y minus 2 is, if you remove square, you have to write square root with plus minus sign. So y is equals to 2 plus minus root 55. This is coordinates of y. So now you can see carefully, Q lies on positive y-axis and S lies on negative y-axis. So coordinates of Q are 2 plus 55 root, and coordinate of S are 2 minus 55 root. Sorry. Coordinates of Q are 0, comma 2 plus 55, because we are writing the coordinates, so the value of x on y-axis is 0, and coordinate of S is 0, comma 2 minus 55 root. Now find the distance of QS. this should be positive. So 0 minus 0 is 0 square, so no need to write, and 2 plus 55 minus 2 minus 2 plus 55 whole square root. I use distance formula. So see carefully, minus 2 cancel plus 2, root 55 is 2 root 55, and this whole square cancel by the bigger root. So therefore we achieve the target shown. The requirement was show that QS, the distance of QS, or you can say the magnitude of QS, is 2 root 55. Last part, determine the area of quadrilateral PQRS. I am copying the diagram again. So we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. So if we see carefully, this quadrilateral can be split in two triangles. One is triangle QRS and other is triangle QPS, or you can say PQS, and both the triangles are right angle triangle. So if we have coordinates of Q, we have coordinate of S, and we have coordinate of R, but we doesn't have coordinate of P. We can find coordinates of P easily. What is our equation of circle? X minus 7 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to 104. So P lies on x-axis, therefore the y value must be 0. So 0 minus 2 whole square is equals to 104. 2 square is 4. 104 minus 4 is 100. X minus 7 whole square root is plus minus 10, and x is equals to minus 10 plus 7, x is equals to minus 3, because P lies on negative x-axis. Therefore I took only negative value. So coordinates of P are minus 3, 0. Now we can easily find the area of triangle QRS. First, area of triangle QRS, half base. Base is QS, which we have find 2 root 55 in previous part, and height is OR. OR means 17. Height is OR because the coordinates of R are 17. So 2 cancel by 2, 17 1 the 17, 17 root 55. Now we have to find the area of triangle QPS. Half, the base is same, that is 2 root 55, and the height is from 0 to P, that is 3. We have find the coordinates of P as well, and because we are going to find the area cannot be negative, so we have to take only positive value, 2 by 2, 3 root 55. Hence area of quadrilateral PQRS is equals to 17 root 55 plus 3 root 55, which is 20 root 55. This is our final answer of part C. Very interesting part. So students, what you can see in this part, see carefully. If, for example, if part B is not present and only two parts in this question, for example, part A and part C, so what you have to find first, that is QS. So whenever you see the part of the question, you must do some research on previous part and see that is there any link between previous part and the given part. So obviously it will help you a lot. So this is our today's class, where we did two questions from paper 2 and only two questions are left. That is question number 3. I promise I will finish this question and question number 4 in next lecture, so that the whole topic will be finished and we will be doing same questions of differentiation, past papers questions of differentiation. So I request all of you, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos